Reading to newborns is beneficial to both the parents and the child because it presents an opportunity for bonding. And even though your baby does not understand what you are saying, reading to them can stimulate their cognitive development. Why reading is important for babies? Because it helps to create a connection with your child. It helps to increase knowledge. It helps to cultivate the habit and importance of reading. It expands vocabulary. It helps to create a longer attention span. Also develops language and cognitive skills. Along with that, once you start reading on a daily basis, then you will get surprised as how quickly your baby will start learning and understanding small things. Or try to read the same storybook or sing the same song every day during the reading time for at least 10 to 15 days, and after that you can change the storybook. It might be tedious and boring for a while, but it will help your child to develop a daily routine of reading, which will be a great beneficial for your baby as they get older. How to make your baby to take interest in reading? Some important tips. Ensure your baby is in comfortable position. It is very important to make sure that the baby is in comfortable position before you start reading. You can take your baby in your lap and then start reading. This creates more intimate reading. Next, observe your baby's face. Your baby cannot communicate verbally, but they may give you non-verbal signs as to what they like. So watch your baby's face when you are reading. This will help you to determine what they are really interested in. Make the reading session interesting. Let your child play with the book. Allow them to touch the book and turn the pages. By doing so, your child will get the session interesting. Next, make reading a daily ritual. Make a routine to read a book at least once in a day and try to read the book daily on the same time. It will be a great benefit for your baby to enhance the reading habit. Have patience. While reading the book, it might happen that your baby will not show interest in reading. But be patient and only stop reading when your baby falls asleep or when they want to stop. Next point will be creative. While reading the book, try to use sounds, tones and gestures when acting out each character's emotion. You can also try to substitute your child's name with the main character of the story, or you can use your baby's toy to act out the story. The next point will be use appropriate books. You have to use age-wise appropriate colorful storybooks, song books, board books, etc. when reading to your child. And if you want to know which book is appropriate for 0 to 1 year of baby, then you can watch my video. The link is given in the description box. Till then, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.